During a presentation, you can use every element in your surrounding, including your speaking area, to help reinforce your message. Some people believe that to use the stage, you just move laterally from right to left. This is a method. I'm confident in saying, though, it is not the most effective method. Some people think, oh, I need to be over here, and now I just need to come over here, and now I'll just come over here. That is not good. Let's talk about it. You can use your movement, your navigation of the speaking area intentionally. One area which you can sagaciously use your speaking area is to change topic. The speaking area can be used kind of as a bullet point. Whenever you are ready to change a theme or an idea, you can move with intentionality and purpose. For example, today I am going to share with you 3 strategies on how to handle your nerves whenever you speak. Strategy number 1, preparation. There is no adequate substitution for good and extensive preparation. Several months in the past, I had to give a presentation. And during my presentation, things were going well. I went to change my slide, and it wasn't working. Oh my God, I began to panic. My mind started thinking, they're going to boo me off of the stage. Then it hit me. I was prepared. I knew my material. I resumed my presentation. I let the audience know we are experiencing technical difficulties, but we're going to proceed ahead anyway. I gave my presentation, and by the end, I received a standing ovation. This is just to demonstrate that there is no adequate substitution for good preparation. Did you follow me there? Did you kind of see what I did? I started in one specific location. I talked about the 3 strategies. Then when I went to strategy number 1, I moved laterally. I started telling a story. I moved back a couple of paces because the story happened in the past. While I was narrating the story, I came to my conflict and I was having an inner dialogue with myself. During the inner dialogue, I stepped away to the side, had that dialogue, and once I resolved the issue by being prepared, I stepped back into my position to narrate the story. I concluded by returning to the original point from strategy 1 and re-emphasizing preparation. There is no adequate substitution for good and extensive preparation. This is an example of how you can utilize your stage. I started with strategy 1 right here. I went on to strategy 2 over here, and I can go on to strategy 3 in this position. And once I've laid out all 3 of the strategies, I can return back to my original speaker position. Or I can elaborate on another point and another example over here and conclude right back at the end. As you can see, you can move backwards or forwards, diagonal, to change points. Utilizing your stage is a great way to reinforce your message and increase the effectiveness of your presentation. As always, please remember to be your best, to be inspired, to be great.